Is it time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we will explore Netflix in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 22, 2025, our system has ranked Netflix as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a robust and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend points to an estimated change of approximately 15.7% over the upcoming 3 months, with projected returns ranging from 1.84% to 20.69%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 59.41% over the next year, with possible returns between 26.16% and 51.14%. This translates to a price range between $1,203.51 and $1,441.91 after a year. Our latest daily update for Netflix includes the headline, "On Wednesday, Netflix stock price gained an impressive 9.69%. The Netflix stock price increased by 9.69% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 22, 2025, rising from $869.68 to $953.99. The stock has now risen for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.07%, with a low of $950.79 and a high of $999. The price has increased on 5 out of the last 10 days, and is up by 8.19% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also rose on the last day in tandem with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $13.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $999, while the lowest was $537.07. Currently, the price is 4.51% or $45.01 below the 52-week high of $999, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Netflix is making headlines today as its stock reaches an all-time high, demonstrating remarkable momentum following an exceptional fourth quarter. The company added nearly 19 million subscribers in just 3 months, surpassing Wall Street expectations and achieving the impressive milestone of over 300 million total subscribers. Analysts are optimistic, reflecting a strong demand for Netflix's diverse content, which features popular titles like Squid Game, along with an expanding selection of live sports. Moreover, Netflix's approach of increasing subscription prices appears to be effective, with analysts noting minimal pushback from subscribers. This blend of substantial subscriber growth and successful price adjustments places Netflix in a strong position within the competitive streaming market. Consequently, the stock has climbed by more than 11% today, prompting analysts to revise their price targets upward, which demonstrates confidence in Netflix's ongoing growth trajectory. In the short term, this positive sentiment may further elevate share prices, enhancing investor confidence. In the long term, sustained subscriber growth combined with effective monetization strategies could reinforce Netflix's leadership in the streaming industry, potentially paving the way for even more significant valuation increases in the upcoming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark gave Netflix a hold grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI gave Netflix an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave Netflix an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Needham gave Netflix a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company gave Netflix a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Netflix stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Netflix. The Netflix stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On any downward corrections, support is expected at $863.01 and $895.75. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and so far the stock has increased by 15.16%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established, supported by rising volume alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 115 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $869.68 and $865.59. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Netflix finds support just below today's level at $869.68. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $865.59 and $837.69. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $48.21 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.07%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.89%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Netflix, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at $5.96. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Netflix. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Netflix encounters its first support level at $869.68. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of January, 2025, Newman Spencer Adam made an insider purchase of 7,024 shares of common stock. On the same day, Newman Spencer Adam also executed an insider sale of 3,333 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January, 2025, Hastings Reed conducted an insider purchase of 468 shares of common stock. On that same day, Hastings Reed made an insider sale of 233 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January, 2025, Peters Gregory K. executed an insider purchase of 20,740 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 16.415. In total, insiders acquired 146,588 shares and disposed of 207,070 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $918.12, reflecting a decrease of 3.76%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Netflix stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we expect Netflix to open up $13.94 and start trading at $967.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.